Huwag ko pinapansin yan. Walang mali sa'yo. Nasa kanyang mali. Ano ba?
And then here in the Philippines, sir, students there in the Philippines is we have three parts of we have Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, and then we have different dialects, language, Cebuano, Tagalog, and some
Visayas.
All these three languages, they can understand each other or no?
and understand sir Bisaya and understand Cebuano.
The same language or no?
This is Filipino language songs.
Tagalog. But what is different between Tagalog and those two?
Between Tagalog sir is and in Bisaya is if you are here in Manila and you go in Bisaya, you cannot understand this
You
language.
said it's the same language. Why can they cannot understand each other?
Here in the morning in Tagalog sir, magandang umaga. Then Bisaya is mayong buntag.
So what he's trying to tell you
Yes sir.
Okay, wait, I'm not talking with you. Okay, what you can tell me about numbers?
Number sir.
Yes.
One.
Two,
Two.
three.
Three in English. But in Tagalog sir, isa, dalawa, tatlo.
Not, I don't have time to learn them. Okay, what else you can say about numbers?
In Bisaya.
No, in English.
Ay,
why
English.
can I rephrase that? Why is numbers important? A number. Any number. Why is it important?
Why it's important? Where you use it? Where you can use it? What they can describe? Let's say anything numbers. What first comes to your mind when you need to think about numbers?
Because this is the most important sir. Then the quantity of the items. For example, sir, if the box or the stock is 50, so you can tell your cost or something. That's the quantity of that. Or
Okay, can you tell me the biggest number?
big number, sir. Thousands,
2,000.
millions,
2 million.
billions, sir.
2 billion. Every time I say bigger numbers. What is the biggest number?
Trillions, sir. That's the biggest
No,
number.
no, 2 trillion is bigger.
Zillion. What is the biggest number? I'm asking you. Infinity?
Infinity is the biggest number because
Exactly. Infinity.
Sir, hindi.
How to write infinity? You know?
Infinity.
Infinity.
How do you write
Right.
Infinity. I
Sign of infinity, you know it?
Yung logo ng Infinity.
Infinity.
Yung parang 8.
I can familiar, sir.
Okay, do that.
Ay, salamat sumakses.
Is it like that?
Diyos ko, pag-uusan. Ito, Infinity.